On to the next IMI Apex Prize. Firing with lean precision and flow stability, this plant has delivered 88 to 90% capacity utilization, S&OP adherence above 90%, and marked drops in customer complaints with faster CAPA closures, powered by a culture of ownership and unshakable discipline. With digital inspection, reliability, driven AM/PM, and people-led Kaizen energy, this site stands as a benchmark of speed, stability, and breakthrough problem solving. Stepping into the spotlight now, ladies and gentlemen, is ITC Limited Icml Haridwar, Mr. Anant Maheshwari and team. Can we give a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Right, sir. Maybe have a few words.
Hi, good evening all. It's an honor to be here. First of all, thanks to Mr. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and the assessors and the IMI team, Kaizen Insight team. Last year, when our team was here, we made a commitment that we will change the color from gold to platinum. And it's a proud moment for us that we delivered that.
Okay.
And thanks again. And it has been a great learning experience. And yes, we are committed to do this continually improvement further. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much and congratulations to you. And on that note, we would like to say a big thank you to Mr. Goyal and to Dr. Rajkumar for presenting this set of prizes.